Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to look at this question. Figure 2.1 shows part of a rhizopus. So this is a rhizopus. So a rhizopus is commonly found on a type of bread mold. Okay. This rhizopus is labeled C, D, and E. So question A1. Identify the part labeled C and D. So what is the name of this part labeled C? So the name of the part labeled C is called the sporangium. Okay. So part C, we have said this is called the sporangium. So you really need to know the correct spelling that you can write. Okay. So this is called the sporangium. Then what about part D? Part D, what is it called? So this part D right here, as you can see, it's the one that is holding the sporangium. So the part that holds the sporangium is called the sparagiopho. So this part is called the sparagiopho. Okay. So this is the sparagiopho. Sparagiopho. Like this. Okay. Then we now come to the part labeled E. So this part labeled E right here, these are called the storon. Okay, this is the storon. This part right here. Then, if they are pointed on this part, okay, these are the rhizoids. Okay, this part, if they are pointed there, these are the rhizoids or rhizoid. Okay, so these are the parts of the rhizopus. So upon naming them, we need to know what each of these parts of the rhizopus what its function is. Okay, so here we understand that when you look at the rhizoids, these rhizoids, so the rhizoids are the specialized hypha that grow into the bread. Okay, and they anchor on the fungus, these rhizoids. So these rhizoids, what we are saying is that they are able to absorb water and nutrients from the from the bread. Hence they are able to produce the digestive enzymes. Okay, then from these rhizoids we have the sparagiopho, this one right here. So this sparagiopho, as you can see, it is an aerial hypha. So this grows vertically, as you can see. From where? From the storons. From these storons, the sparagiopho is growing vertically from the storons. Okay. So this sparagiopho, they support the sporangium, just like I said earlier on. Then when you look at this sporangium, the sporangium looks like it's a sac-like structure. Okay, at the tip of the sparagiopho, and this sporangium, it contains what we call spores. Okay, to contain what we call the spores right here. Okay, so this sporangium will contain the spores, and these spores, they are just the reproductive units of the fungus. Okay, so these spores are released from this sporangium and they can germinate in order to produce new rhizopus colonies. Okay, so in terms of the functions, we have said these storons, the storons, they just anchor the fungus to the surface of the bread, and they help it to spread. So these storons, they grow horizontally. Okay, the storons. Then from there we have these rhizoids. The rhizoids, we said these, they anchor the fungus to the bread and absorb water and nutrients. In short, they are able to produce the digestive enzymes. Then we have the sparagiopho right here. This part, the sparagiopho, we have said it just supports the sporangium. Okay. Then the sporangium, what does it do? It produces the spores. Okay, it produces and releases the spores. Then what are the functions of the spores? The spores, what they do is they just germinate to produce the new rhizopus colonies. Okay, so here these are the most important parts. You have to be able to identify these parts and to state their functions. So this now tells us that a Rhizopus is a saprophytic fungus, meaning that this Rhizopus is able to obtain its nutrients from the decaying what matter, such as bread. Okay, then it is a common cause of what food spoilage, but it can also be used in the production of some food such as tempeh. So this is what I had for you. Thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, you like and you invite your friends so that you can learn more of the biology lessons that I'll be uploading. Bye bye.